Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina.
And we're TNT RVing. So we're here at the Elkhart County 4-H Fairgrounds.
We are in Goshen, Indiana for the 2023 Frog Rally.
So come along.
Come on. Yeah, baby.
Enter the parking lot for your destination.
Okay. Really lucked out. We actually are going to have full sewer. We're so excited. I could take my long showers and be happy as a lark. So we're off to registration. This is very interesting. We are jammed in here. Except Tony. Tony has a huge site.
Yeah, that's pretty.
That's probably why you got here so early. So you can get the big site. You have a nice end site. Okay, so here we go. We're entering into registration for the frog. And this looks like crazy town. We are here.
Let's go.
Bye.
Oh, we get late.
All right, yay!
Is that on video?
It is, absolutely.
Hey, you get one too.
Awesome, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So Tina and I are on our way to get some breakfast.
Yep, first official full day of the frog.
And what
I'm feeling
time?
very bright today.
Let's
It's
see.
kind of a gloomy day.
And actually, I'm pretty proud of us because it's only a little after 8.
Yeah, it's
And what time? What do they serve breakfast here? What
till
time?
7:30 till 9.
Okay.
Not like when we went to Alm Creek and they served till 10 and we got there at 10 to 10.
Funny. So let's go check it out and see what they have for breakfast.
Sounds good. 4-H activity center building, and this is where a lot of the seminars are being held. And a lot of the seminars going on, they run the gamut from Dutch oven cooking all the way to packing your wheel bearings. So come on in, let's check it out. So there's 4 in here. There's a couple in another building, as well as some outside venues as well. So they have like 6 to 8 seminars going on every hour. It's pretty cool.
And can you introduce yourself?
So I'm Carol
Yeah, okay.
Herr, and this is John, my husband. We are ambassadors with Fantasy RV Tours, and we run all kinds of caravan tours and rally tours all across the country, Canada, even Mexico.
Okay.
And so today I'm giving a seminar all about our bucket list destinations. So that's like the Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta. You just come for 6 days for a special event. We also have one Washington DC rally where you come in and we bus you all around to all the major sightseeing.
Oh, that's cool.
We have a Rose Bowl Parade rally where you come and actually build the float that you're going to see later in the Rose Bowl Parade go down.
That
A lot of
sounds
other
like
fun. It's a really fun one.
We've actually talked to people that have done the balloon rally one, and,
Yeah.
and they really liked it. They
It's
thought that was
awesome.
really cool.
The balloons leave right where you are.
Yeah.
Often they land right by your RVs,
That's
and
cool.
we have a big party. We have tequila and margaritas, and
Okay, said the magic word.
it's a lot of fun. And then we have 100 RVs at that.
That's awesome.
And usually there's no electric hookup or anything because it's just
you're in a field.
But we bring in brake generators, and we have 30 amp service.
Okay.
And you come in with water and your tank's empty, but halfway through we bring water and have a honey wagon come around.
Around.
So we make it
Pump
as
you up.
comfortable as we can, and then
That's
we have a
great.
great time.
Sounds like a
That's
good
awesome.
time.
Yeah.
Well,
we have
thank
to
you
grab
very
some
much.
information as
Yeah.
well from
Yeah.
you.
So
Yeah, I like your balloon necklace too.
Yes.
by the
Oh,
way.
of course, I wear that today. We've been 5 times. We loved it so much.
Okay.
Awesome.
That's awesome. We'll have to
Well,
check
thanks
it out.
for sharing.
You're welcome.
All right, so there's so many services being offered here at the Frog Rally, and one of them happens to be Clean Tank, and they'll actually clean your black and gray tanks for you. And I'm here with...
Wendy Bruce, and I'm from Clean Tank of Michigan.
So if somebody wants to get a hold of you, how would they get a hold of you?
They can either call us directly at 810-207-5355, or they can go to cleantank.com, find a dealer, and find the one closest to them.
Awesome. Well, thank you. So that's just an example of what is available here at the Frog Rally.
So what are we doing right now, Tony?
Tina, we're going around and shopping for bargains. They have a little mini garage sale, and there's all sorts of treasures here.
It's the last day of the Frog, and people bring their unwanted things or the crafts that they're making, and they sell them. It's actually pretty cool. Or they give them away.
Yeah,
We
that's
just got
fun.
a free handle.
Yeah. So, good stuff.
Look over here.
Yeah, you do that too, but you forget sometimes and grab it.
And you just grab it?
Yeah.
That is cool. That takes some imagination, you know.
I do it too.
So Tina and I are here relaxing underneath this lovely gazebo that Lippert has. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Sean with Lippert.
And we just asked him about Lippert Scouts, and he's going to share a little bit more about what the Lippert Scouts and Lippert Captains program is.
Yeah, absolutely. So Lippert Scouts is a community that we manage from Lippert. It's to help the community, the RVing community. It doesn't matter if you have a motorized unit, a towable unit, a van life. We're out there to help and support you. So if you have questions, let's say something breaks down while you're getting set up and going to a campsite, you can reach out via our Lippert Communities app, which you can download from the Apple Store. Or the Android, and you can get on there and ask your questions like, hey, why is my red light flashing? I don't know what to do. I just want to go to bed. Can someone help me get my leveling out or my slide out? And then in the morning you can get further assistance. But initially somebody will more than likely have the same experience that they can just reach out to you and say, hey, just Tony, do this. All you gotta do is push this button, give us a whirl, and then maybe it'll work. So that's the support we want to give back to the community.
That's great.
Awesome. I'm looking at it right now.
So we may have to go ahead and sign up. So thank you. Appreciate that. Absolutely. Tina and I are getting a tour around from Pam here, who's our volunteer pad hopper. And a little later we're gonna go check out their rig. And look at clean it up. No, maybe just the outside. We won't even have to go on the inside.
Okay, I don't have to
All
put
right.
my bed.
Nope. Thank you. Take care, Pam. So we're enjoying some ice cream, and our pad hopper Pam decided to bring her husband Al over. So Al is ordering. What are you getting?
Plain.
Al? Plain. All right.
Old white ice cream.
Yes, I got a little chocolate syrup on my vanilla. And what's your name?
Mackenzie.
Mackenzie. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Thank you.
I'm having strawberry shortcake with no ice cream because I can't eat ice cream.
Oh, no. Well, I think I ate your ice cream.
There you go. And then let's do this. I'm gonna back out and look how cute this little berry patch is. How nice.
There's like 5 times you got me with food in my mouth.
I know, that's okay though, right? All right, so Tina and I are here with Peggy and Tony Barthel with Stressless Camping.
Yeah,
Is Tina
another
in there?
Tony.
Another Tony.
We're TNP and you're TNT.
Yes. And one of the neat things is you're looking at 2 couples that represent Rockwood.
Yeah,
That's right.
You are looking at, if somebody dropped a bomb right now, Rockwood would have no brand ambassadors for the mini light line. Because
that would be
all
the
of us.
biggest concern.
Right,
Of the whole world.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly. So it was nice finally getting together with you.
Yeah,
meeting
this
you,
was-
instead of on just Facebook and stuff.
Okay, so we've had a great week here at the Frog, getting to know everybody, especially Tony and Peggy.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
amazing, and it's amazing how much we have in common.
It is.
You and I
oddly
could be
amazing.
brothers from
We-
other mothers.
We could be.
Yeah, that's
But-
one of the
have
great
the same Rockwood.
Yes.
Only yours is way more high tech than ours.
Yes, with the power package.
Yeah.
Yeah, but still, it's same great taste in campers, same great taste in names.
Yes.
That's awesome.
At any
That's
rate,
awesome.
it was nice getting together with you both, and
Yeah.
we're looking forward to maybe coming out to New Mexico, Tina.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know about that, but
Well, we may
For
be
sure back
for
here in
sure.
Indiana.
We may be in Ohio soon.
And that,
We might be in Ohio soonish.
well,
Yeah.
you're welcome to mooch dock in our driveway,
Woohoo.
even though
That'd be
you won't
fun.
need to really mooch because you have the power package.
Yeah, we just
All we
we
mooch
need
is
is
space.
Yeah,
That's right. Anytime, you guys are welcome. So
Yeah,
thank you.
Likewise.
Thank
All right,
you.
safe
That's
travels.
great.
You too.
tea